Hello everyone. Now let's see about the localization in contacts. Contact management is an important aspect for all organizations. Using Seedor, countries groups, federal states, cities and zip codes can be configured in our contacts and managed. For this we'll have to go to the contacts. These are some existing contacts we have. Now under configuration we can see countries. Here we could see all the pre-configured countries we have with the country's name and the country's code defined. Now I'm viewing an existing country here. Now here we can specify the country's name, the currency of that country, the country's specific code, and the calling code for the country can be specified, and the VAT label of the country can be specified here. If we want to add any image here, then we can add it here. Then under states, we can add the respective states for this country. We can specify the state name and the state code for it. For adding a new state, we can make use of this add a line option here, and we can mention the state's name and the code for it. We can also mention the regions here. We'll have to specify the name, description and the region manager here. Then under cities, we could view all the cities related to this country. We could view it by the name of the city, the zip codes in that city, which country is this city belonging to, and the state of it can be mentioned here. Next, under zips, we could configure all the necessary zip codes we have. Now I'm creating a new zip code here. And I'm mentioning the city. I'll have to mention the country and the state here. And then click on the save option. Now a new zip code with the city has been created. Next, under configuration, we could view all the federal states here. We could also filter it by our country. We could view it by the state name, the state code of it and the country. If we want, we could also filter it by our country. Now we could see all the states of this particular country. If we want to create a new state, we can also create by using the create option here. Now we have the country group, which will refer to the grouping of partner countries and can be viewed here. Now I am viewing an existing one. Here we can mention the group's name and add the countries. Next, we can also view the cities. We could view it by the name, the zips of the city, the country and the state of the city. Next, under zip codes, we could find all the pre-configured zip codes that we have. We can also create a new one by clicking on this create option we have. Now, under contacts, here now I am viewing an existing contact. In the address, I can add the city, state, country and the zip codes. After filling out the necessary information, I can click on the save option here. That's how we configure the countries, country groups, federal states, cities and zip codes. Thank you.